In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana. We'll start right on the homepage, the best place to get a quick snapshot of what needs your attention. If you're not already there, select Home from the left sidebar to bring up your personalized overview. You'll see recent work, suggested shortcuts, and a clear starting point for your day. Next, head into My Tasks from that same sidebar. This is your personal command center. Everything assigned to you rolls up here, so you're never guessing what's next. You can review upcoming work, spot anything overdue, and stay on top of priorities without jumping between projects. By default, you'll often land in a list view. The list is great for scanning lots of tasks quickly, sorting by due date or priority, and applying filters when your workload grows. If you prefer a more visual workflow, switch to the board view. Boards organize tasks into columns, like to do, in progress, and done, so you can drag items forward as you make progress. Choose the view that matches how you think. You can move between them anytime. When you're ready to capture new work, click Add Task. Give your task a clear title so it's easy to recognize later, and add any quick notes or context. Even a short description can save back and forth later. Setting expectations early helps the task flow smoothly across list or board. Now, open Inbox from the sidebar. This is where you'll see updates on tasks, comments, and changes related to your work. It keeps Signal and Noise separate from your email so you can respond, follow up, or snooze items without leaving Asana. From here, switch to Insights to see patterns in your notifications and activity. It's a helpful way to understand where your attention is going and which projects generate the most movement. Move over to Reporting to view dashboards and charts that summarize progress across your workspace. Reporting turns everyday task data into trends you can act on, helping you spot bottlenecks, balance workloads, and celebrate momentum. Open portfolios to track multiple projects side by side. Portfolios give leaders and collaborators a top-level view of status, timelines, and health so nothing slips through the cracks. Then, check out goals to connect your day-to-day tasks with bigger outcomes. Goals keep teams aligned and show how project progress contributes to measurable targets. Finally, visit projects to browse, open, and manage the spaces where your teams collaborate. Whether you prefer list or board, everything you've seen so far comes together here so you can plan, execute, and deliver with confidence.